In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides dark mode. If you work late, want to reduce eye strain, or just prefer a sleek look, switching Google Slides to dark mode is a quick win. I'll walk you through it from start to finish, and I'll share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect once it's on. First, open the Google Slides app on your phone or tablet. Give it a second to load so you're on the main screen and signed into the right account. This is the place where all your recent presentations appear. Next, choose any presentation to open. You don't have to pick a specific file for dark mode to work, but opening one makes it easier to see the change immediately in the editor. Once it's open, look toward the top of your screen for the app's main menu. Now, tap the menu. Depending on your device, you might see 3 horizontal lines or a 3-dot icon in the corner. Either way, you're looking for the option that lets you access the app's general controls. From there, select Settings. This takes you to the area where Google Slides keeps appearance options and other preferences. If you don't see settings right away, scroll within the menu. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Inside Settings, tap Choose Theme. This is where you decide how the app looks overall. You'll typically see options like light, dark, and sometimes System Default. System Default follows whatever theme your device is using, while light and dark lock the app in that specific style. Finally, select Dark. As soon as you do, the interface will switch to a darker palette. Menus, toolbars, and background areas in the editor will become dark, which can make reading text and navigating controls more comfortable in low light and can help conserve battery on OLED screens. A quick heads up, enabling dark mode changes the app's interface, not the actual design of your slides. If your slide background is white, it will still appear light when you edit or present. That's normal. Dark mode is about the workspace, not automatically restyling your content. If you ever want your slides themselves to have dark backgrounds or high contrast text, you'd adjust the slide theme or background separately. If you want to switch back later, just return to Settings, choose Theme again, and pick Light or System Default. And if you don't see the theme option, make sure your Google Slides app is updated to the latest version. That's it. Your Google Slides app is now in dark mode. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more comfortable editing experience.